My country here is very, very hot. That's why we stick to the AC at this point in time. So when you sweat, you come back to the AC to cool off. Watch this video, share this video to your friends, most especially those upcoming guys on the TikTok community, right? You want to go viral on TikTok. There are a lot of things you need to do, but they are so simple if you are used to TikTok things. If you are watching this video for the first time, if you've not followed me, do a favor, click on this plus sign button and follow me. Allow this video to play to the end and then like the video. Tap on your screen several times. That will help me get so much like just on this video. And thirdly, press and hold the screen on this video. A message will pop up. Click on send to all these people you see. Now let's go straight to the video. Anyways, click on that share button and share it to your friends, because you might still come back to watch this video again. Alright, now let me take you for a ride. This is how we do it. When you come to TikTok for the first time, even though you've been there, many people do not listen to information, so they don't have time. They're always in a hurry. Social media, I don't need to be in a hurry. Do you know what? As you learn, you're becoming a teacher, because you definitely will hold a camera in front of you and still teach people. So you're not just learning because you want to learn and know. You're learning because you will learn and teach. The teaching is the impact you give back. Maybe you don't understand. When you come to social media, most especially TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube, you watch several videos. When you watch several videos, you become master of them all. What do? You sit down in front of your camera and start dishing out everything you've learned back, because you have followers who are following you. Not the top people are following you, the upcoming are following you. So they want to learn from you. So you are now their mentor, their teacher, their icon, their legend, their father, their papa, everything. You understand? So let me now take you for a ride. The moment you come to TikTok, on the home screen, you will see a search bar. Click on it. Type content creator inside, or content inside, or creator inside. Whichever way you spell it, it will pop up. Click on it. When it opens, you will see a place written view. Click on that view. Now you see several topics. TikTok wants you to make video concerning those topics. So this is the reason why you must watch videos. So what I did was, I copied down most of the topics. So if I'm coming now to shoot a video, I shoot a video about a particular niche. They've given you a niche already. They've given you a topic already. They've given you something to say. You will not say, which type of video am I going to even create? Oh, they have it there for you.